Happy Tuesday, boys and girls. Let's start with writing our names. I'll write my name and you write yours. Please write your name yourself. Do not have your parents do it. We need you to practice just so that you get better and better at writing neatly and nicely. And today is May 12th, 2020. Let's read the instructions. It says, it's the same as Monday. It says circle 10 and then subtract. But what I do is I like to look at all the problems a little bit so I can see maybe if there's a pattern. And I've noticed something. I want you to see and see if you can notice something. You're right. Most of the problems is -8. We're taking away 8 until we get to the bottom where we have a -9 and a -7. So let's see if we can use our strategy we used today by circling a group of 10 and then subtracting from that 10. Let's read the first problem. 15 minus 8 equals blank. We're going to make sure we have 15 acorns, and we're going to look that it's all in groups of 5. We're going to count 5, 10, 15. Once again, we're going to try to keep the 10s together in the tens place and ones together in the ones place. Instead of circling the top 2 together, we're going to circle the ones that look like a 10 frame on the left side. So we're going to first circle the 10, and we know this is a 10 because it's a 5, 10, just like a 10 frame. Then we're taking away 8, so we need to subtract 8. So let's review. Do we start from the ones, what we have left outside, or do we start from the group 10 group? You're right. We start from the 10 group all the time, just so that we know we'll have enough. So we're taking away 8 today. And we're going to do 5 because we know that's a 5 group. 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to count what's left over. I like to always count from the outside because it's the ones, and I know how many there are there already by looking at that number. So we say 5, 6, 7. 15 minus 8 equals 7. I'm not going to do the rest of the problems because I know you can do these rest on your own. I want to help you with this last problem on the bottom right because maybe you might get confused because now it's the number 7. Make sure that you're never confused even if the number changes that you're subtracting because you're still using the same strategy. It says 14 minus 7 equals, oh my gosh, I remember something from yesterday. We had a similar problem. I remember when I look at 7 and a 14, I remember my doubles fact. And I know 7 and 7 make 14. But today we're just going to use our strategy. We're going to first count 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're going to circle our 10 group. And we needed 14 because we're starting off with 14 and we're taking 7 away. Remember, we're not going to start from the second part where the ones is at. We're starting from our 10 group. So when we take away 7 from here, we go 5, because we know that's a group of 5, 6, 7. And then we count the rest. We have 4 here, we know because it says 4 in the ones here. 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to write 7. 14 minus 7 equals 7. Let's see our back and see if we need more help there.